Take it.
Dude, if I got it again.
You already have it?
No, but I can't even use it. It's for Marauders.
Slaves. More slaves.
These guys are probably so mad. You're killing everybody and I'm getting all the loot. Where am I?
We're in a dungeon.
I turned around. I'm like, why is there a cutscene? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! I got him! I got him! I got him! I got him!
Leroy.
Leroy!
Leroy.
Jackass. You're gonna hit you and you're gonna explode. You're gonna pop. Ouch.